Hi, I'm Trishli and you are watching Thrive with Trish, the place to be to build your confidence and make your dreams happen. Are you excited for year 2020? It's just around the corner, guys. I don't know about you, but I am super psyched. If you'd like to make 2020 your best year ever, then this video is definitely for you. Here are my 4 top tips to help you make 2020 your most memorable year ever. Number 1. The time is now. Do you have goals in 2019 that you weren't able to accomplish? Well, let's get it done in 2020. Planning doesn't start on the 1st of January, it starts right now. As Johann Wolfgang von Goethe once said, what is not started today is never finished tomorrow. So let's plan for it and make it happen. As a special Christmas gift from me to you, I would like to give you this annual schedule planner that I made, and you are gonna get it for free. In this planner, you can use it to track what are the goals that you want to achieve on a monthly basis and which you want to prioritize first. And how can you get hold of this planner? All you have to do is click on the link below and use the code 2020 special upon checkout at my website, and you're gonna get this for free. Point number 2, give yourself time. I'm not sure if any one of you are like me, but I'm a kind of person, I'm a very big achiever. I want to achieve so many things in the fastest, shortest period of time. But realistically speaking, some big goals just needs more time. Example, writing a book, losing weight, traveling the world, yada yada yada. There are so many goals which are very big and it just requires more time. So here's what I'd like to propose to you for the year 2020 in order to achieve all your goals. First, list them all out and look at it realistically. Which are the goals that could be achieved within 1 month and which are the goals that needs maybe 2 to 3 months. After that, what you can do is arrange your smaller goals, maybe achieve 2 to 3 smaller goals within 1 month and one big goal spread out on a span of maybe 2 to 3 months. That way you won't overwhelm yourself and then you won't set yourself up for failure because you can't achieve your goals after maybe say 1 month. Point number 3, expect the unexpected. Things happen, plans change, ideas evolve. If it's one thing I've learned throughout the course of my life whenever I want to achieve a goal is don't ever set a hard, fast rule on how you want to get towards your goal. Let's say, for example, you want to lose weight, alright? And you think that using the keto diet is going to help you and you're so excited to start. And then come January, you use the keto diet and after maybe 1-2 months, you realize it's not working for you, but instead, a vegan diet actually works better for you. Don't beat yourself up if you have to change the methods in which you need to use in order to achieve your goals. Bear in mind what is more important to you, achieving the goal itself or the method that you use. Tip number 4, eliminate giving up as an option. If the goal means a lot to you, then don't ever be discouraged whenever you come across a roadblock. I can understand whenever a person faces failure, even for myself, I would think, oh gosh, I wasted my time. But actually, time was never wasted. Think about it. It's not like you were sitting around not doing anything. Let's go back to that example of you trying to lose weight. If you tried one diet plan and it didn't work, at least now you know what doesn't work for you, and so you can do better in your next plan. Have courage to keep trying and keep going, because if you give up, you already know the result. But if you keep trying, you never know what sweet success you can enjoy at the end of the road. And most importantly, even if you didn't reach your desired destination, you can at least look back on your life and be proud of yourself for even trying and realize all the new experiences and skills you've learned along the way. Now let's end today with a quote of the day. Never too late to dream a new dream. Never too early to start making dreams happen. Now I'd like to hear from you. What are the dreams or goals in 2019 that you wanted to do but you've been putting off, and how do you plan to achieve them in 2020? Let me know either in the comments below or over at my website trishandco.com. And while you're at my website, don't forget to sign up for my Trish exclusive newsletter to receive a free ebook on how to build unshakable confidence, as well as to receive monthly giveaways and empowering tips from myself that I don't share anywhere else. Should you have any questions that you would like me to personally guide you on, do feel free to write to me over at my page, Ask Trish Anything, and I'll be more than happy to get back to you with some empowering tips. Did you like this episode, ladies and gentlemen? If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this episode with your friends. Thank you so much for your support in 2019, and I look forward to your continuous support in 2020. Live strong and have the courage to create a life you love because your happiness matters. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on Try with Trish.